HAME is a collaborative project, and I've been invited by these shameless people, and just give me a lot of work to do.
HAME is an installation created by the Nave, and it's meant to focus on themes around capitalism, money, and what we spend our money on, and most of it's bullshit.
We saw the theme was about technology, and we thought about consumption and the fact that technology is making consumption such an easy, accessible thing, and how you can consume through technology and buy clothes and buy food and buy everything so much quicker.
What we spend our money on has an impact whether we realise it or not. So that's what HAME is supposed to represent. But there's many themes within that you could look at.
We met up, wrote something in 30 minutes, and applied with it, and Ugly Duck was so confused that they offered us installation space and exhibition space too, because they couldn't figure out what exactly
they offered us a solo show and an installation. They were like, we like it, we don't understand it, you can have both. We want to make it the real scale of an actual note just blown up, so even blowing it up and then dividing it into tiny
spaces. It involves
pieces.
math and thinking, which is very forgotten.
Wouldn't that be amazing?
I actually had a much more broad kind of much more epic thing in mind, which was someone slips on the money, smacks the head on one of the TVs, which explodes and catches fire to the money, and then it becomes this massive funeral pyre for someone just to come along to
Shame.
Sorry to interrupt you, would you know where's the acro yoga classes that are in the area?